One more on his hand.
I'm just looking. Are you crying?
Oh my god.
Centimeters.
Oh.
She's a precious angel. Oh. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Go get it! It's gone. Go get. Oh. Have one bite. Sit. Oh my god.
Well, why are you next to it then? Just saying.
Hey, bud, would you mind scooting over? I mean, you kind of have all the room over there. I'm like almost falling off the bed, so. Wait, what? No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.